Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. And now today's topic is short question answer from chapter 12. And let's start the class today, and there are 9 short question with answer. Number 1, how many countries are there in the world? And we all know that there are 95 countries. So the answer is there are 95 countries in the world. Now number 2, why is cooperative relationship among all countries essential? Why? Because if the world wants to maintain peace among the members, among the countries of the world, they need cooperative relationship. So our answer is cooperative relationship among countries is very essential for maintaining world peace and global development. Number 3, when was United Nations formed? So you need to memorize the date, it's very important. The United Nations was formed on 24 October 1945. And you can put a comma here. Now number 4, what kind of organization is the United Nations? What kind of? We all know that it is an international organization. And the answer is the United Nations is an organization for international cooperation. Now number 5, what is the number of the member states of the United Nations? It's 193. We all know it. So the answer is the number of the member states of the UN or United Nations is 193. Now number 6, how many administrative branches are there in the UN or United Nations? What are they? And you all know that there are 6 administrative branches and 6 development branches. So the answer is there are 6 administrative branches in the UN or United Nations, and they are General Assembly, Secretariat, International Court of Justice, Security Council, Economy and Social Council, and Trusteeship Council. So all of you will memorize this, memorize the name of these branches. Now number 7, what does UNICEF stand for? What does UNICEF stand for? We all know that this is the abbreviation of what? United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. And the answer is UNICEF is the abbreviation for, or you can also write here, UNICEF is stand for United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Now number 8, what is the main work of UNDP? And the answer is UNDP mainly works for the development of different countries and brings coordination between several activities of the United Nations or UN. Now number 9, which organization introduced 21st February as International Mother Language Day? We all know that it is UNESCO. So the answer is UNESCO introduced 21st February as International Mother Language Day. So there are 9 short question answer with answer. All of you will at first read your text and then you will practice the short question answer, or you will you can make your own answer with the help of this sample question answer. So all of you will read your text very carefully and practice the short question answer, which are very important for you. Okay dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. Dear students, all of you will study a lot and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.